Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this gray bunny bird bath. Okay, so that is the top portion here. And this comes in, you can get like a green color, like this bronze color, or like a gray color. So I think this is made out of like PVC, but it looks metallic, so it should not only not rust, but stand up to the elements fairly nicely. So this, no tools required to assemble this. Here's the base. We're going to put this in the garden and show you guys what it looks like. Of course, here is the base pillar that attaches in. So you can see it's just threaded on each end. That's just going to screw in there. And you can fill this up with little rocks and stuff if you want, and that'll give it a little bit more weight so it doesn't blow over or anything like that. And also, it has these little tent peg things. So these can be pounded into the bottom to keep it stable as well. That's cool. And finally, it has this portion here. So we do have instructions as well. And I can show you how to build this real quick. And we'll go put it out in the garden and see what it looks like. So this one just screws right in here. Like it says, no tools required. If it's not going in, want to make sure it's straight. So if you can cross thread it a little bit. If it's, you can tell if one side's higher than the other when and it's not going to look straight. So if you're trying to force it, it's going in difficultly, just back it out and then gently screw it in. It should just be able to, basically with your fingers, just get it going and then just screw that down just like that. There shouldn't be, that's pretty solid. Okay, next we have this one. This just goes right in here. And same thing, if it feels really difficult, it shouldn't be. It should basically go in there pretty smoothly. So that's looking actually like it's a little bit cross-threaded. And you'll be able to tell if one side's higher than the other and it's going in a little bit more difficult than it seems like it should. So the main thing is to get it going in there straight so you can place it on a flat surface. And I like to do, there we go, just kind of back it out until it just kind of, you can feel it fall in place. And then it should just go real simple. If you happen to like kind of turn it with a little bit of difficulty, it's probably cross-threaded and you want to make sure that you can just do it with your fingers and get in there. See, it's super, super smooth all the way down. That's about the only thing you need to worry about with this. Feels nice and solid. And then here we go with the top here. And it should just spin just like that. Once again, if it's not going on smoothly, then it's probably cross-threaded. So that's about the only thing you need to worry about with this. Here it is in the back right here. And it's kind of elegant. It's probably about 2.5, almost 3 feet tall there. And we've actually got a little solar powered light that's going to fit in top of here and be a fountain in there. So that's going to be pretty neat. I'm going to show you guys that in another video, but let's go put this out in the garden and see what it looks like. Well, here it is, my friends. I think it looks really pretty. Just matches with everything. And here are those stakes, and it has these holes right here. So if you want to pound these in, these I can just pretty much just press into the ground here. Pretty soft, but that's going to stabilize it also. Another thing you can do, so that makes it more stable. Another thing you can do is you could take this top off and you can put rocks in here if you want to make it a little heavier. But these should hold pretty nicely, and it's not a lot. This should be pretty stable. What I'm going to do is just fill this up with water now. We can see it. And I also got this little fountain thing here. We're going to put in there and let it shoot some water up. So here we are. That is looking really nice, actually. Okay friends, here we are. I have it set up with actually this little solar powered fountain on top, which it works amazingly well. Looks really cool, but you can see how it is just really pretty in here. Hopefully we'll have some birds coming and playing in the bird bath there, but it's a nice addition to our beautiful garden here. And yeah, we really like it. I like the color. It pretty much matches everything, and with it being plastic, it should hold up really well and not get all rusty, so I'm pretty happy about that.